Hi viewers, today in this video I have this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G in my hands. You can see that it's matte green color, beautiful build, beautiful phone by OnePlus 9 Pro. It's on Android 12 and it's rooted by Magisk. You can check. By the way, I am Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. Here you can check that magisk is installed. The version is 27 right now and it's installed again. You can see that apps is also installed. The magisk is installed. We can double check by a root checker pro or root checker. You can double check by root checker application. Just click on this verify root and you can see that this device has root access. So the root is installed in this. And so for any reason, if you want to unroot your this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G or any Android device that is rooted with Magisk, so the whole procedure is just a single tap away. So open this Magisk application here and just click on this uninstall Magisk. From here just select this complete uninstall so that the APK file of this Magisk will also uninstall from here. So uninstall completely and you can see that it's running its script, and now the magisk uninstall the APK also. And here you can see that at the start of the screen there is no BootLoader unlock warning on this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G because it's on Android 12 and Android 12 Oxygen OS, and there is no BootLoader unlock warning on this Android 12, any Android 12 Oxygen OS, I hope. So from here now the root is uninstalled completely. We can double check it by root checker pro. We can check by this root checker application, again verify root, and you can see that the root access is not installed on this device. This was all about this video and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'm requesting that I played my part. Now do play your part. You may give me a motivation by just giving us a thumbs up. I think that it does not cost a single penny. Also do not forget to smash that red subscribe button into the gray or white one. So I'll see you on the next one. Till then, keep smiling.